if you're having problems downloading and installing the Python programming environment, you can use some online editors. Here's one called Google Colabs that will work directly with your Google Drive. So the URL you can see on the screen, colab.research.google.com. When you go to this URL, it'll ask you to either open a notebook or to create a new one. These will automatically be saved in your Drive folder. You will see in your Drive folder, there should be a directory called Colabs, something like that. So, there we go. You can see my folder, Colab Notebooks. So let's get back to it. So in this, I'm going to create a new notebook. And when it loads, you can give it a name and you can start typing directly in Python. Hit the run button and it will execute the code. So I'll call this hello. Diamonds 8. Hello. And I hit the run button and it will go through that iteration and print hello 8 times on the screen. It may take a while to compile depending on your internet connection. Now we can see it. And if I go back to Drive, we'll say hello. It's saved here.